Recording?
Yep.
Alright, what's up guys? Doing a couple fireworks. I just bought like $5. I think it was like $6 worth of fireworks and random stuff from Stop & Shop. Just to have a little bit of fun. And this thing shot at me a second ago, so I don't want to get too close.
Hey, nothing big, but it's definitely pretty fun, I guess. But we got some more fireworks right here, and yeah. So I'm gonna light a couple actually.
Can't wait to do these.
Do I record on my phone, Jovani?
Record on both of them.
Alright. Camera out. Hold on, guys. I know it's a little bit shaky on Jovani's, but just trying to. Here, if you hold it. Oh, it's on the other side.
Alright, let's get this lit.
Wait. Damn.
Good?
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. We're doing some fireworks right now.
That one was actually pretty good.
That one's cool. Do you have any more of those smoke bombs?
Yeah.
You know what I want? I'm gonna light a couple of those. So anyway, guys, these are some of the fireworks that we have. Obviously, since we live in a state where they don't really like legalize stuff like that, we can't really get the best. But
It's still entertaining.
It's still pretty fun. I'm taking a blue again. The blue is really cool. I'm taking a yellow. Let's actually split these. How much?
There's it's 3 and 3.
Yeah.
And then over here there's
One,
1, 2, 3, 4, so 2 and 2. Then 1 and 1. Alright, what?
Here, I'll show you guys an example of one of them. Can I pass me later?
Oh, the fuck.
Put it like right. Damn, that shit's still kind of warm.
Yeah, it's like, do you not see the red in there?
Yeah. Alright, pass it.
Where'd my other lighter go? Did I leave that upstairs?
Probably did.
Wow, smart.
Ready, guys?
I think I was recording backwards that whole time. Sorry. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, they're very cool. It smells like ass, though.
Damn.
It smells so bad. I'm like both of them at the same time. They better to light them down here, actually. Alright, guys, so I'm actually going to light these, but I'm planning on taking some pictures, honestly.
I'll take it real quick.
So, yeah, we'll be right back.
Damn, man, let me see.
They burn, nigga. Ready, guys?
Holy
That is fucking dope.
I like this thick cloud right here. Holy shit.
It's like, that
It
was...
smell like shit.
No, it's gonna smell like daisies. Man, we should have bought one of those. Those are actually really cool. Actually, I didn't buy any of these, honestly. Look at my camera. Nigga.
Yeah, he's like a smoke town over here. Alright, well, that was cool. Alright, guys, we're lighting some of the crackling things. 2 of them at once.
Yeah, you're gonna stand right here. I wouldn't do that. Like I said. Ah,
That was awesome.
scared the shit out of me. That was epic.
Alright. Man, Nick, you're burning yourself every freaking time. Why are you lighting it up like that? Do it to the side.
Alright, guys.
Dope.
That was
Time for some sparklers.
I wonder if I can light my own. Oh yeah. We are cool kids, guys. Ow. Oh, faggot. Epilepsy test. No.
Is this thing gonna start again? It like stopped and then didn't start. Oh, got it. Oh, it stopped. Oh, got it. I get why just smacking these things on the ground works. Damn, mad smoke coming from yours.
Enjoy.
Ah, dang, that just shot at me. Get that off me. Damn, too much smoke.
Aw.
Smack it against the rock. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's enough of that.
Oh, no, I'm kidding.
Alright, let's go for the big boys now. I'll do one first, since I paid for these.
What are those?
I don't know, but they're bigger. They're the biggest ones I have, so.
I'm kind of afraid now. I don't know what the fuck these things are. I'm backing the fuck away.
Well, they can't be too bad, because they're fucking in Rhode Island.
I don't know what to expect.
I think it's just gonna shoot up like that.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, that's fresh. Oh, that's dope. Hey, purple. No. Oh, that's fresh, man. Oh, that was the bomb.
That was sick.
Oh, that was dope.
I forgot that I could take pictures with my phone.
Alright, hold on, let me open this one. Alright.
That one's mine.
Actually, all of them are mine, but I'll let you light it. I'm just gonna sit right here.
Ready, Jovani? This shit's gonna fucking hurt. Woo! Bedazzle. I'm gonna get one in the eye, watch, somehow. We got little purple fuckers flying around. Now these are gonna hurt.
I like that one. That was cool.
Yeah, it is. How much was yours?
$2 a piece.
Seriously? That ain't bad.
What's up, guys? It's now morning. The beginning of the vlog was like at like 10:30 last night. We did that, and then we walked. Stop Shop's not far from my house, so we walked to Stop Shop to get more fireworks. But I don't think we recorded those, did we? No. Whatever. We might possibly go get a couple more today, because I don't know. Fireworks are actually pretty fun to do at night. It's just fun, entertaining. Might get some more. Might go find some wood for some fires tonight, so you guys can be with us for that. I'm thinking about going to Dollar Tree and seeing what they have there to make a video for the main channel. If we find something that's cool. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. What up, guys? It's now nighttime again. So it's the next day. This vlog's freaking long as hell. But it's the next day at nighttime, as I just said. I don't know why, but my Xbox just randomly got the red rings, so now we have to sit here without the Xbox for a little while. Yeah, a lot of crazy shit happened today, but I don't feel like talking about it all. Just chilling. Nicholas is right there. Say hello, Nicholas. Oh, my mom, you gotta see all this shit. My mom bought freaking. My niece's birthday party's coming up. She has like 1,000,000 sodas for her. Damn! We got a lot of sodas. I don't know. I think tomorrow I'm going to sell a couple of my shoes. Get some more money. Probably go buy more shoes. I don't know what else to talk about. But I'll catch you guys later. See you guys in the next video. Peace.